Annyeonghaseyo, boys and girls. Welcome back to online learning time. So today we're going to do a maths activity, including our lovely insects I've got here on the table. So we've got a spider, without legs of course, a worm, a caterpillar without legs, a snail, a ladybug, and a butterfly. So today, what we're going to do is I've got a whole lot of pegs here, and we're going to peg on how many legs we think are on one of these insects. Okay? So it's a whole lot of maths to do with our insects, which is perfect because we're learning about insects at the moment. So, what shall we do first? Oh, and also, it's not just insects. These are called mini beasts. So all the insects and things like spiders are mini beasts. Okay, just thought I'd clarify that before we start. So, how many legs do you think a ladybug has? 4? 2? Do you think the whole ladybug can sit up with 2? Should we put 2 on and see if it's possible? 1, 2. Do you think that's possible? No. How many do you think? Do you think it has 4? Should we do 4? Do you think that works? I don't think so. I think it has, how many do you guys think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are so right. You got that before I did. Right. So we put 6 on our lovely ladybug over here. They have 6 legs. See that? Right. Next, what do you think? Shall we do? Oh, the worm. How many legs does a worm have? Can you guys guess? Did you say 0? Oh, you're absolutely right. It has 0 legs. So worms are under the mini beast title 2, and they don't have legs because they're kind of like snakes and they slither along. Clever. Hard to catch you guys out. Oh, okay. Let's do another easy one for you. How many legs does a spider have? 4? No. 6? We're getting close. We're getting close. But no, they have, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my goodness, that is a lot of legs. But it's a big body, right? So they have to have legs to hold their body up. So a spider is under the mini beast title also, and they have 8 legs. That was tricky, but I have an even trickier one for you. I wonder if you guys can guess, how many legs does a snail have? This is tricky. Do you know? If you said 0, you were kind of right. So a snail doesn't really have legs. It has 1 foot. So its whole big underneath of its body is called a foot. So technically it has 1. Let's put 1. Right, this is another tricky one. How many does a caterpillar have? It's tricky, eh? You would have thought like 3 for maybe each little part of their body, but no. I had to do some research on this. So maybe you can do some research and find out for me. And when we come back to preschool, you can tell me how many legs a caterpillar has. That should be an inquiry question, especially for all you Dream Team table guys. All you 4-year-olds, I want to know how many legs does a caterpillar have, all right? Now, last but not least, this one's easy. You guys should all know it. How many does a butterfly have? Do we know? Is it 4, like the amount of its wings? Is it 2, like the amount of their antennas? No? What'd you say? 6. Oh, you guys are too clever. It does have 6. Now I've run out of pegs, but I'm sure you guys have loads more pegs at home. Ask Mummy if she can get them off the clothesline for you, and ask for some scissors, and ask some help from your mums and dads to cut out some insect shapes, just like I've done. Takes all of 2 minutes, and then do some counting at home. And remember that tricky question I asked you, how many legs does a caterpillar have? Okay, I want to find out from each one of you, okay? Right, well, that is all for our learning time online. So I shall see you next time with another one. Catch you later, guys. See you next time.